date 11th December 2020. So come on children. Force of friction. Force of friction. As the train, toy, stop. When you push a football also, it stops after some time, right? ऐसा तो है कि वो सीधा 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 जाता रहता है. It stops after some time. Now, there must arise a question in your head that why this ball stops. children, here we are. I'm having this heavy object and I'm having two surfaces. This surface is a very smooth surface. See, you can see. And this is a rough surface. See, this very rough grasses and there are many things here. Now I will pull this. See, on smooth surface it is very easy. And now rough surface. Let's try on rough surface. Is it easy or hard? See, it is very difficult on rough surface. So this was our activity. And now let's see the questions.